Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an install video on this beautiful new gorgeous unit. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have the Outre Perfect Hairline in Julianne 24. I know I showed her to you guys before, but today we have her in the color number 1B. So I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace because it is like a lighter type of lace. So I want to make sure that it matches my skin tone. So as you can see here, it was like a lot lighter. So yeah, it was very, very essential for me to tint the lace. So now we are going to lay this baby down, and we are not doing the lazy girl install today. We are going to do a full install, but do not worry. It's going to be very, very easy. Today we are going for a side part because I know I already showed you guys a middle part with this unit. So I wanted to show you guys something a little bit different, and that part is so beautiful. Today we're going to be testing out the Isha Daily Lace Glue Spray. And I really do like this one as like an everyday because this is for those divas who just want to wear it for like one day rather than it being like stuck to your head and you can't do anything about it. I am testing out a couple last sprays before I do my Battle of the Sprays video. I know it's been long awaited, but anyways, we are going to spray that on there, and then we're going to take the blow dryer and take the end of the comb. But since it was dripping down my face, I'm just going back to my old method with my paintbrush and just dipping it in and putting it on the lace, and I find that I get a better application that way. And then I'm going to just take the back of my rat tail comb and I'm going to push that lace right into the skin and just use the blow dryer to go ahead and blow dry it so that it's, you know, so that it dries pretty quickly and we could just get that lace melted real quick. So now that we've gotten everything in place how we would like it, I am going to set it with an elastic band. This is just elastic band that I get from either Amazon or Walmart. I will link it down in the description box below. It works amazing, either this one or like the one that's a little bit shorter. Maybe it's like 1 or half of an inch or something, I don't know. But the elastic band just really helps it, and I love just tying the elastic band because I feel like it just gives me a better like melt. But anyways, I let that sit on for 5 minutes, and now we're gonna go in and cut the lace. Now this is something you want to take your time with because you cannot get your lace back once you cut it, okay? So just go in, take your time. You will have to lift the lace a little bit if you got, you know, any excess glue. That's why I recommend like how I do with the paintbrush or whatever small detail brush you could use. Just do that because it's annoying when it's like stuck to your face, and then it could also mess up your application. So just go ahead and use that paintbrush method that I showed you guys after I done got this spray all over my face. Now that we're done cutting the lace, before I go back in and secure everything, I'm going to lay my adult hairs. Now I did go a little bit dramatic today. You definitely do not have to do that. It is personal choice. I tell you guys all the time, I'm from the era where the baby hairs and adult hairs were accepted, so I'm completely okay with them. But you definitely don't have to do them because the wig is cute with or without them. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that, I forgot what it's called. It's like some type of jelly by ORS, but I will link everything in the description box below. So anything you want to get, like, I'll link it in the order in which it was listed. And of course, when you click it, you'll be able to see which product it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, lay those. And then now I'm just going back in with that Isha Bond spray and my paintbrush. And I'm just going to tap it right onto the lace so that we can melt it back in, because like I said, it was a little bit of liftage because I had to lift the lace up a little bit because I had gotten it all over my face. And we're going back in with that handy dandy elastic band. It always comes through, okay? And we're gonna leave that on for 5 minutes. Once we are done with that elastic band, we're gonna go ahead and take it off, and we have a look, honey. So on the sides there, I noticed this spray is not good for like sides. It's really good for the middle, but it's not really that great for the sides. But anyways, this is our look. I really do love this unit. It's very beautiful. I know you can kind of see on the sides there, but it's just the spray. It wasn't really strong enough for that particular side. But yeah, this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you fabulous divas in the next video. Bye.